Deputy Speaker, sir. At the outset, I would like to thank you for allowing me to raise this short duration discussion under Rule 50 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business on a matter relating to the failure of the government to protect the rights of the indigenous people in central institutions. Sir, why I am raising this very important issue? So, for the benefit of this August House, I would like to inform that there are about 45 to 46 or even more central institutions, which also include educational institutions and establishment, government establishment. These are College of Postgraduate Agricultural Studies, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, NEA, National Law University, Indian Institute of Geomagnetism, Department of Atomic Energy, Botanical Survey of India, Power Grid Corporation of India Limited, Central Pollution Board, Central Bureau of Communication, CPWD, Ministry of Tourism, Commissioner of Customs and Central Excise, Central Public Sector Organization like Power Grid, NIPCO, BSNL, Central Government Organization Northeast, Policy Academy, NIPA, ICAR, Botanical Survey of India, Airport Authority of India, Geological Survey of India, Anthropological Survey of India, Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, NECTA, Northeastern Space Application Center, NISAC, Northeastern Councils, and we also have military and paramilitary organizations like Eastern Air Command, Assam Regiment Center, Gurkha Regiment, Assam Rifles, Border Security Force, Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Border Roads Organization, Military Engineering Services, MES, College of Community Science, formerly known as College of Home Science, Tura, College of Agriculture, CAU, Kyrteng Kulai, IM Shillong, Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Medical Science, NIGRIMS, National Institute of Technology, NIT, National Institute of Fashion Technology, NIFT, Institute of Hotel Management, IHM, College of Postgraduate Studies, CPGS, Nongsde, Northeastern Hill University, NEHU, English and Foreign Language University, EFLU, Northeast Regional Institute of Education, NERI. So, we understand that local tribals are underrepresented in central government offices. So, there is an instruction, a standing instruction from the government of India, sir, under the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Department of Personnel and Training Establishment, compendium of instructions on reservation in appointments in post services in the central government. Reservation is provided to the members of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and other backward classes at 15%, 7.5%, and 27% respectively in the matter of appointment by direct recruitment to civil posts and civil services on all India basis by open competition. And sir, according to this notification, there is also a specific mention about the reservation and direct recruitment in Group C and D, attracting local candidates. And as per this instruction, Meghalaya, under this group, can avail up to 45% in direct recruitment. Therefore, sir, I feel, when I look at this notification of the government, that it would have been a blessing. Our youths could have derived benefits by the presence of many central establishments and institutions in our state. So, for example, like in the case of NEHU, We know that all the other northeastern states have got their own central university. But the problem here is that other tribal from other states, they still manage to get this 7.5%. However, the same is not practiced in other northeastern states. I was informed that in Mizoram, especially for the post of assistant professor, since it requires only a master's degree and net, none other than Mizo is getting a chance to get employment. But recently in Meghalaya, in Nihu, a local teacher is denied to get a job in Nihu, and in spite other tribal from other state managed to get it. So, sir, I feel that the government must take proactive measures as far as this facility is concerned. In the case of Negrams, so I was told that the administration there is too biased. They even violate the rule. It is supposed that not less than 20% of male nurses will be there in the institutions. But I was told that the Negrams have accommodated more than 20%. And these male nurses are coming from outside the state. What happened, I was told by the person concerned that our male nurses who are appointed on the contractual basis, they are made to train those male nurses coming from outside the states before they are kicked out. So, sir, this is a very serious issue, and I know that if the government can really take up the matter seriously, it will be a blessing to our unemployed youths. In the case of medical seats, let me draw the example from Manipur, RIMS. In RIMS, admission in MBBS, they allocated up to 24 persons for students from Manipur. And in BDS, up to 26 persons. And BSc nursing, 32 persons. So, sir, I feel that if the government is taking this opportunity based on this instruction given by the government of India, then the state government can start writing a letter to each and every central institution and establishment in the state inquiring about the strength of the local tribal in those offices. That is what I want to bring to the notice of this House, because I know that it is not easy for the government to create government jobs in these days. As responsible public representative, we understand that government job has become saturated. So why should we miss this opportunity where we can ensure that all these establishments whom the state have given them a land, acres and hectares of land have given to these establishments. It is the job of the state government to ensure that they give a benefit to our people. Sir, I don't want to prolong my speech, but I think I've been able to convey my message very clearly to the government, and I expect that the government will take up this matter seriously so that our people, especially that falls under group D and C, will be able to get the benefit out of these central establishments in the state. With these few words, sir, I wish you mercy.
Thank you. Now, any other member to participate? Yeah, Lakman Namboy. But in view of the fact that today is, the agenda is allotted for common business, I would like to allot time for each member to speak 5 minutes only.
Sir, I'm very thankful to Honorable Deputy Speaker for allowing me to take part in this short duration discussion. So what I want to raise here is that prevention is better than cure. In the morning, in the course of question hours, the reply of the Honorable Minister of Education that the teachers and staff, our placement is already been done and will be appointed by the NES. Sir, 38 number of EMRS in the state of Meghalaya, 52 posts each, about 2,000 posts is there. And Honorable Chief Minister, for the last many years, 3-4 years, he is trying his level best that reservation policy should be applied to this institution. Just imagine, sir, 1,956, about 2,000 family will come, and we have given 600 acre of land to set up the institution. And we have an understanding also, sir, for the lower post to give the job to the local who is eligible. So, sir, I request the government that without applying the reservation policy, we should not allow this institution to start as of now, sir. Let us wait, let us fight together so that honestly, because as I said, the qualification also, where they set up for this upper primary and thing is seated, not MTED. Many of our students have already have the qualification of MTED and graduate and B.Ed also. They could not apply because they didn't have the seated. So, sir, please, I just want to convey for the benefit of the youth of the state, let us not rush to start this institution. Let us wait. Let the reservation policy of the state apply. More than 2,000 youth of the state will be able to get job. It is a matter of great for the state of Meghalaya. So I urge the Chief Minister and the Minister of Education look into this issue. Let us not rush. Let us stop issue NOC to the NES to start this school till the issue of employment in this institution is resolved. If we want to, then the President it said, then all over the school, all over this 36 school, which on the construction it will become a President. So I don't want to lengthen my speech with this only points. Let us work together, join hands together, stop the nest to make this school function. Let us wait till the reservation policy